You may be wondering why I keep saying the highest effective power of x. Well, that's because you can't just look for the biggest number in the exponent. Take this function, for example. At first glance, it would seem that the highest effective power of x on both the top and bottom is 4, since that's the biggest number we see in the exponents. However, there is a square root on the bottom x to the 4th, which will end up cutting its effective power to only 2. This is because square roots are the same as raising a number to the 1/2, and if we remember our exponent rules, raising a power to a power multiplies the powers together. So now the highest effective power on the top is bigger than the highest effective power on the bottom by more than 1. And when this happens, it means there are no horizontal asymptotes. So to sum things up, when finding the horizontal asymptotes of rational functions, just look at the highest effective power of x on the top versus the bottom. If the top is less than the bottom, then there is a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. If the top is equal to the bottom, then there is a non-zero horizontal asymptote that you get by dividing the leading coefficient of the top by the leading coefficient of the bottom. If the top is 1 bigger than the bottom, then there is a slant asymptote you can find using polynomial long division. And finally, if the top is more than 1 power bigger than the bottom, then there are no horizontal asymptotes.